How to define and call a main function. Many programming languages have a special function that has a specific function to run the program, and this function is usually called the main function. But in Python, the interpreter executes scripts starting at the top of the file, and there is no specific function that Python automatically executes. However, it is useful to have a defined starting point for the execution of your program. First, we see what is a main function. We first have a function main, which has the main body of the code, and then we call this function to run the main body of the code. This type of code is usually common when you're going to execute your code in Python scripts, or if that code is to be imported in other modules. Next question we have is, why do we even use main? So as I said before, it is not a compulsion to use main, but it is really useful in cases where you have to use it. The final question is, how do I define main and call it in my code? So for this, we'll go to our idle, and here I will write the function main, def main, and in this I will write statements. So this is the basic structure of how the function looks. And now to call the function, we check if underscore underscore name and then underscore underscore is equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore. So this is a string main, and if that is true, that time only we execute the function main. Now to understand what this underscore underscore name is, I'll print it out. So I'll use the represent function, inbuilt function, to represent the object underscore underscore name. And now when we print it, it says underscore underscore main. So basically the value of this name variable is set to be the same as the name of the module that is being imported. So since this is the main module and this is not another module, the name is main. Suppose you had another module and in that you are importing your code, there the value of name would be whatever the name of the module is. Now let's actually see the main function in action. So I'll print hello within the main function, and now run this code, and it prints hello. So let's write a basic code. For I in range 5, we print I, and now it will print the numbers 0 to 4. So this is how a main function works in Python, and this is how it is called whenever you use it in the code.